QIHUA CNC, shaping the future of global intelligent manufacturing. Harnessing the power of light as our cutting tool, we deliver intelligent manufacturing to the world. As QIHUA CNC, we are a professional Chinese manufacturer of laser equipment and a renowned OEM manufacturer for well-known domestic and international brands. Specializing in the R&D and manufacturing of laser cutting, engraving, and marking equipment, we bring Chinese intelligent manufacturing to serve the global market. We operate a modern production base spanning nearly 10,000 square meters with large-scale production capacity. Our core R&D team of dozens of professionals focuses on technological innovation, while a nearly 100-member technical team provides full process services. We implement fully in-house production with rigorous precision testing at every stage, offering one-stop supply of laser equipment spare parts and comprehensive technical support solutions. Targeting overseas distributors and agents of equipment spare parts, overseas manufacturing plants, and customers requiring post-sales upgrade and renovation of equipment, we provide complete machine OEM manufacturing, standardized equipment, customized industry solutions, and a full range of consumables and spare parts. We help clients boost operational efficiency, reduce costs, and complete equipment upgrades. We have established a full-chain global service system with a multilingual team providing one-on-one dedicated service and efficient customs clearance and logistics support free of worries. Our global after-sales network offers 24/7 response with dual guarantees of remote technical support and localized services, ensuring a secure and reliable partnership. Today, QIHUA CNC products are exported to more than 100 countries and regions worldwide, serving tens of thousands of overseas enterprises. Using light as our medium to connect the globe, we look forward to collaborating with partners from all over the world to empower global intelligent manufacturing and create infinite possibilities together.